But you know, sister, him take off Shani them and left up Mr. T. So Mr. T are going to the boss. Mr. T video them up in up, but Shaniqua and them come down.
Charmaine say I watched the video last night. She was very aggressive and very disrespectful. Too many discrepancies. Charmaine, can you go back and have a look and tell me this video that you watched last night?
That's it.
Please, Charmaine.
Is this live now?
You watched the video last night, so you know it was.
No, he did it about 6 hours ago.
I believe you, one love. I believe you. I strongly believe that.
When you find myself a blink too, so me I feel say me eye them bad. So me probably go see the
you must have the pan drugs. The member Shanique, they said all over the pan drugs.
The fact that she watched the videos last night, she's proved that it was there.
It was there.
The videos. I just got a link and I saw that there was a video with a thumbnail with him. So Charmaine.
Alright, yeah, I'm J Progress in black here, and it done like that.
But you definitely watch it, Charmaine. Just
I want to see that too, no?
And tell me if the videos are there. Because I don't want to tell no lie for nobody neither. Or me can take the fall. Probably me yeah go bad. Or me internet and play up and now load up.
Hey! So the internet a play up and now load up. Wanna want to hear more?
I don't want to hear anything about him. I can't go along a tiger. Every time I tiger me long.
Alright, thank you very much. We can't stop worrying now.
Alright. Alright, Tiger, take back your platform. Lovely want to hear you.
Tiger, do you have the Saturday something? Where
no,
we
man,
should
do
talk about the Saturday?
I'm the vet.
I'm going to screen record it, you know. But I never screen record it.
Progress just talk about the video.
I think J Progress should take down every single thing off him page. About J Progress, Yard Boss, he take down every single thing. If you not gonna take out Shanique, take down the whole of them out there something. Cause you can't go fling where name the underneath the boss. And I take out
Shanique. All in the put up himself up there with Mr. T.
Jesus,
got him a go too.
Hello? Yeah, you may go get ready now.
Oh, the family them still up them, man. Jayden's killer wanted Shanique and her family flew down to Jamaica. Oh, them still up there. I forgot where down.
Exact time? Yeah, I may keep waiting. So
remember, you're not mute the vet.
But I hear your business.
No, it's okay. Just my grandson.
The one with the girl at top was Saturday take down. I go and she tell him for take it down.
Take it down.
See you have them a crucify me they already. Take it down.
Not you.
If you not get for save it, your salt. Tiger, did you save it? Did you save it, Tiger?
Tiger, did you save it?
Watch ya.
Watch him not hear we. Save it.
You must have look for it.
I gotta look for it because you're supposed to save it. Everything me save for Yard Boss.
So you have it movie?
Yeah.
You have the one last night?
Yeah.
Movie, I want to explain, you know. The movie, delusional to him. He say, save it when he really say you can't find it.
That's yeah.
When you send them on Facebook or when you go on YouTube, you can't send them to.
Oh, see, Tiger plate, yeah.
Best up, sir or ma'am.
Still clueless. We're still trying to figure out what the hell happened, like where.
Will I hear it?
Yeah,
yes,
man,
you see, Yard Boss put out cease and desist from playing them.
That's what you say?
You don't know Yard Boss here.
Lord God,
like I'm gonna say no cease and desist from playing him content them on a platform.
Shanda,
just listen to it.
Shanda, the whole Tiger face over TikTok with the pencil and the scissors, everything show up with the head side.
We see it. Run it, Tiger, run it, go on.
Yeah. Redress again, Tiger, you know, say, I saw my man come over here for which they try to imitate you.
Oh.
ugly man. That's why I come over in a time, you know. I try imitating them. Don't take off your time, yeah, man.
No, don't take off no time. I am yard.
Sure.
Grass. Yeah, forget up.
Yeah, though.
Yeah, man, you know what Shani say? The whole Aina say, you know, them take the piss out away. I swear them take the piss out away, you know. I come talk about say she contact Fried Boss because Fried Boss has said, oh, him a share goes upon him. How you my They take the piss. They are taking the piss. I'm telling them right now.
And then I know say somebody over here walk a goose or yard basket, you get lion and you have to run.
No man, the iron I know why my friend and she sent me a message and I read and start get bellyache and back here.
As you open the message.
Can they say, you know, when you get lying over TikTok, you know, tag, I see they get rich and you have to take for yourself.
You know what? You know what's funny? When she said to Yard Boss that, I wish the police them could have come take me for give me a lie detector test. So me said to myself, why is it if she so badly want the lie detector, why don't she take the plane and go down to Jamaica just like how she take the plane and go down there for the baby?
Mm-hmm. It makes no sense. The lie detector test, they are Jamaica.
Yes, and say I want it to be aired live. Bring me up on the lie detector and put it live. I want them to see it.
No, sir.
The amount of lies she would tell.
Hey, the lie detector test would have mash up the way to that just go so. I go so every minute.
Shanda, you know, say that girl, they really.
The digger could stay still.
You know, say that girl, they really take that thing every joke. Because I like this. A girl, they really take that thing every joke, you know?
No, I never seen her.
I wish them would have come for me. I want to do a lie detector test. What she thinks they're saying this would and say, oh my God, come like Santa, she do it for true customers there. She want to lie. No, Yard Boss, in Yard Boss voice. You see it? Because somebody who is a killer would not want to say this, you know, they would not want to volunteer to do a lie detector.
Yard Boss get whipped somehow.
Slow.
Yard Boss get whipped somehow.
Yard Boss love say, it is only what kind of killer? It is only a master killer would have said these things. You think that this girl is capable of these things?
Yeah, right. She's capable of it and more.
Master killer.
Oh God, no. Fair for take bad things make joke to bomb.
You need to stop.
Right?
You need to stop.
Shady, stop.
So my question is, what is Yard Boss trying to achieve? Because
he's achieving, he's running on the exercises.
Listen, let me tell you what Yard Boss want to achieve. Shani tried to hire the attorneys in Jamaica and them run her, them take her money and run her. So now she's trying to get Yard Boss as her defender. So she sign up Yard Boss for the job and him accept it and say, okay, me I go take it on.
Him wrong.
Him have the key, so can do this. I will set you free.
But what happened now? He might work himself right into the orange suit for January and the orange suit and go to jail with them.
Well, him actually get her for say a lot of things, you know, and I'm very grateful. I'm very happy for that. She said because she come and she confirm a lot of things that we didn't know already. We just need the confirmation. Because remember, Tiger, how long we are say she can't come out, come say a lie. Mr. Tia tell.
Exactly.
She can't come out, come say a lie, Mattel. But you see, because she watch me, you know. She watch me.
You see how
where she come out and say, oh no, everything he said is the truth, is accurate. But it's just the timing. It's just the timing. It's just a minor tweak.
Just a minor tweak.
It's just a timing.
Or when Yard Boss
that means Shanda, that means to say the 9 o'clock timing is not right and it's 4 o'clock timing is right.
Mm-hmm. You see, that's the time. She never say the days that him get wrong, you know. She never say the days them because she can't come say. She say she never say, she says the timing them. It's just the time. It's timing is off.
You see how when the advice tried to say Mr. T did it, and she's like, oh, I don't like how you trying to throw Mr. T underneath the bus because I don't think he's capable. He doesn't have that in him to do such thing. But at the same time, if he put Mr. T underneath the bus, guess what? Mr. T going to talk out everything. Because at this point he knows what goes on. So he's gonna bring forth everything that he knows. So
because there's a lot more we could have said to him, probably not chat.
Exactly. So that's why she said
you have to be careful with him.
She said try another avenue, try another route or something like that. I'm like, what? So you want somebody to take the blame for you?
Anybody if you do it, must him or his husband. Not
exactly.
Right. Case closed.
It's close for me to movie night, my dear.
Movie night. Next time you call. Next time you call Shonda, you call it clear. Nobody call him halfway. Cause remember say Shonda China cousin.
You take all the part where she touch up Shonda. That's so calm. Family affair.
So Shonda made in China.
You know, you ain't say Shan want hear him fi done him. He say Shan that so-called cause what I have. Me say me want you. Me want Shan hear this fi done him.
That is crazy.
He's crazy.
Listen, I know.
Really, that is something they really call the girl hyena. I saw a man over TikTok a cookie which I thought that's something ugly so. Hyena. If you call me then something I can't tell me what the rest of your life in a tiger. Tiger is one favorite rat, you one favorite lizard, you one favorite dog, you one favorite cow, you have all different features to your face and that you really call a young girl tiger?
Yeah man, hyena.
No sir.
Kind of funny.
Not pretty at all.
I don't know how you come up by those names. Hyena, goatee. What's the next one?
You see your boss want to slap on him out, you know. Cause me want the girl just tell out everything, you know, and talk with Jayden. The other one, yard boss just gonna shut him up, you know. He said me want to put a magnum in him out, you know, man.
When you go hear myself and leave my friend alone, fraud boss, the leave moving and leave fraud boss alone.
Sweat jacket with him, you. Yeah, we are putting wool on in a sweat jacket.
And a sweat jacket at the orange suit.
Orange suit? Orange suit you call it? When we call it sweat jacket.
Oh.
How you can't escape out there.
Alright.
Brother, walk on.
After the girl attack and they gonna tell it out the truth, the man gonna counteract the girl. Stop. When they near me push the man down back in her mouth.
You continue to see them moving there, cause them all rock the orange suit, you all rock the green. You go and stay away, man. Christmas now catch you out here.
Yeah. Hey, when you go boy do water back clean after me just say don't call me name no. Woman in her head back, one full water bottle.
Tap your man people.
And he tap every police vehicle. Every police vehicle. That time for me man needed a bite up. I'm a police trainer. If I wear me, not pay him no mind. Me say every car one tap and he give them the statement and drive the left. And drive the left pin. Ramping me man. Me say me when the side of me.
Tiger play something.
But Tiger is lower.
Low though.
Thinking the same thing. I'm not going to lie. Because
Okay.
it just doesn't add up. And even us, we're still clueless. We're still trying to figure out what the hell happened. Like where. And I understand. And I say. The fact that there was a
so special
prior to the incident, that is weird. where the issue is. And that is why when a lot of people are talking about, oh, hey, enough search wasn't done. But the thing is, because the two things happen simultaneously, it kind of affects how the investigation would go. Because the fact that it happened, then automatically you're going to think, okay, probably he felt some way and decided that he's not coming home. So in our head, it would be like, okay, all right, if you go on friend yard, parent hold him and just kind of whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, that was really what was going through our head. I'm going to break stuff for the night.
I mean, alone if you say that girl there, you know, so she's on drugs.
Really?
She's on drugs. And yeah, she said she got one friend yard and a friend parents just the whole lamp on him. She's on drugs.
After a couple of days, but we're going to come back. Or somebody will come up and say, hey, we have it.
Yeah, but listen what I'm saying to you, right? And as I said, this conversation is going to be between me and you. It's not going anywhere, right? And